Can we move on? That is all. We'll have to move on. We are short on time. Absolute silence, please. What you can go on with your second proposal.
Shubham, for the benefit of the students, just give us a gist of the second proposal. We'll ask you questions after that.
All right. Well, my second proposal is that I propose to introduce the following changes in order to improve the placements of students in IIT Kharagpur. 1. Conduct mock screening tests, resume making workshops, mock personal interview sessions in order to better equip the students for the placement season. 2. Increase the postgraduate student representation in the placement committee. 3. Recruit department representatives in the month of January. Of relevant job openings in various employment newspapers and websites so that students don't miss out on such opportunities.
ताली बजा रहे भाई अच्छा प्रपोजल दिया अच्छा प्रपोजल था
The first point, conducting screening tests, resume working workshops, personal interviews. Digvijay also had a similar proposal. So, he's given us a very comprehensive background and all the logistic details, how he's going to implement the system. However different your system is, just elaborate on those points. I'll move on to the second question after that.
And again, as I mentioned in my previous proposal, I've also talked to some of the companies in some of the institutes who carry out such activities, such mock sessions, such resume making workshops. We will be calling in such institutes, such companies for conducting such kind of sessions. I've talked to Hayes Group, I've talked to Shine. These two are the companies who I've talked to. They are very happy with the proposal. I also talked to Professor B.K. Mathur, the professor in charge of TNP. He has agreed to it. He says that IIT Kharagpur needs such kind of sessions.
I'm a there are 2 or 3 placement committee members here. We also agree with that, that we do need this. But what I'm getting to is, like, I'm more interested in knowing the logistics, as in these particular organizations will come and conduct the workshop. Like, for instance, in Digvijay's similar proposal, he has a board with some students working in it who's going to coordinate it. Who's going to coordinate all these workshops, tests and all, as in arrange the rooms, get all the logistics worked out.
This work will be done by the student committee in the placement cell. The student placement committee.
तुम क्या किए?
Okay, fine. So the logistics, if you would like to hear the logistics, we would be having the mock interviews inside the interview rooms in the TNP office. We would be having workshops. Let's take an example. Resume making workshops in rooms such as SN Bose Auditorium and in the rooms of Vikram Shilagi.
That's a lot of workload for the placement committee which you've increased. But fine, take that. Second point, increase the postgraduate student representation in the placement committee. Elaborate on that and I'll ask you a question.
Alright. I propose to have the postgraduate student representation increased in number in the placement committee. The need for such an increase is because the postgraduate academic curriculum is quite different from that of the undergraduate curriculum, and also the job profiles that is offered to the MTech students and the other postgraduates is not on the similar lines of those offered to undergraduate students. So there has to be proper representation of the postgraduate students in the placement committee, not only so that postgraduates are able to call companies for postgraduate placements, but for letting the placement committee know what all requirements are there for the MTech students, for the postgraduate students.
Okay. Right now we have 1 postgraduate representative. You plan to increase it to
3. Up to 3.
Up to 3, right. Okay. This year when we were holding interviews for postgraduate representatives in the placement committee, sadly only 1 turned up. Am I right?
2 turned up.
2 turned up.
Right.
And
This is not the correct figure. There were more people. But can you just elaborate as to how are you going to get 3 people? Because it was only 1 this year. So how do you plan to get it to 3? You say it's up to 3. So just elaborate on that.
and we had a very difficult time getting a postgraduate representative. Just one postgraduate representative was very difficult. Can you elaborate how you're going to get 3 postgraduate
I
representatives?
talked to Mr. Santosh. Mr. Santosh is currently the postgraduate representative in the placement committee. He says that last year what had happened was because this student placement committee was a bit new to the campus, the MTech students were not aware of such an opportunity. Now I will make sure. I've talked to Mr. Santosh. I've talked to the hall president of Triple M. I've talked to the hall president of VS Hall, and we will make sure that information reaches the MTech students at proper time so that they do not miss out on such kind of interviews. I've also asked Mr. Santosh to spread awareness about the placement committee and about the involvement of postgraduate students in the placement committee at a personal level. He has agreed to it, he is very happy with it, and he has started work on it.
Which is exactly what happened last year. Last previous postgraduate representative spread the word. Still we didn't get many people turning up for the interview.
Actually, it was not in the same way that it was done last year. So last year there was no formal it was done for
The panel cannot defend. If there's anything to be said, the candidate has to say it. The panel cannot.
I think the answer is already out there, so there's no point asking the same question. I'll go on to the third point. Include department representatives in the month of January to supplement the placement committee. Right. Why so late in January? Are you chunk of the placements happen in December, right? Are you waiting for placements of postgraduate students or different departments to go bad in the month of December and then you fix it up in January? Start giving company contacts and get contacts from professors. Probably try and work to increase the placements of their department students in December itself. Or rather, would you wait for, as you say, in January?
You are currently a part of the placement committee, so I guess you understand that all the companies that come majorly in the December placement season are companies that cater to more than one department. So it is pretty baseless that we have department representatives who contact companies for their specific departments and leave out such and that this department representatives leave out such companies that cater to multiple departments.
Okay, I really beg to differ, and as you said, I'm the placement committee member in this conversation. So there were very few open to all companies in the month of December, and there were quite a few department specific companies. Still, there were quite a few. Okay, and
Can you just, I'll add a question here. Can you just elaborate how would it be beneficial